another episode of Roller Coaster C/D. We are now going to, that's what we're about to do, really high up. It's the Hollywood Tower of Terror. Alright, here we are on the Tower of Terror.
Very often in Minnesota, the Twilight Zone.
Now it's dark.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
MC squared.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Alright, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to